what's kind of been the rumor, and now today, or as of today, Dylan Ferrandis posting on his Instagram saying, quote, season 2023 done. Not the best way to finish for sure. A crash in practice during the week and at the start of Moto 1 in LA, not ideal. End of my time with Yamaha Racing Official and Star Racing 2. 7 years with a lot of memories and success. I wish you guys the best. Not sure what will be my future yet, but now it's all about the rest and recovery for a long season. That last line is the biggest thing. Obviously, only a couple years ago, Dylan Ferrandis won a outdoor title and has always been fast in supercross. Obviously, with Yamaha having Tomac and Cooper and Webb, like the team's pretty well full in the 450s. But this is a guy who's proven to be fast, proven to be a competitor, championship, speed level, however you want to say it. And it's kind of weird to think that just fallen by the wayside, and who knows, maybe he's got a deal in the works, maybe there's some people talking to him, but that line right there, not sure what what the future holds. Is that I'm retiring, or who knows what? Personally, I'd like to see him on a bike again because more competition is always good, and you never want to see somebody just out for no reason. I know there's only certain number of seats, and with a name, you kind of want a certain kind of money value attached to it. But in the comments below, you tell me, do you think he'll be back riding? Do you think he'll be back for which team, or whatever you want to, wherever you think he's going to go? Or is this the end? Is he done retiring, or maybe going back to MXGP? Who knows? Whatever you're thinking, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.